Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio at sa mga bago. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, mismo. So today will be a special reading dahil birth month ko at dahil 3-3 ngayon. At kapag 3-3, syempre merong promo. Ayan, so mamimigay ako ng free personal Tagalog love reading sa tatlong lucky subscribers. Yung detalye ng promo ay sasabihin ko sa end ng reading. Okay, sige. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang inyong monthly love reading. So alamin natin kung anong energy ang masasagap ko from the collective. So, anong ganap sa inyo ngayong panibagong buwan ng Marso. Okay. Alright. So, just a reminder, since collective reading nga ito, this may or may not resonate sa inyo. Okay? So, kapag hindi nag-resonate, just leave it behind, huwag pilitin. It only means hindi ko nasagap yung energy nyo ngayon. So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Okay? Or panoorin nyo yung mga nakaraang reading ko. Baka nag-resonate yun. Kaya in-invite ko rin kayo na mag-book ng personal reading para mas aligned sa energy ninyo yung reading. Okay? Sige, ang gagawin ko ay bubunot ako ng 10 cards from this deck. Tapos, interpret natin. Okay. Alright. Let's start. Third card for March. The Moon. Three of Coins. Knight of Coins. Six of Wands. Judgment. The Magician. Oh, the Wheel of Fortune. Ten of Cups. Temperance. And Two of Coins. Okay, so maganda naman ang mga cards na lumabas. Alright, sige. Let's interpret. So, nagsimula siya sa the moon. Okay. And nagtapos siya sa two of coins. Okay. So, there's a strong energy of Pisces. Okay. Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius, Gemini, Virgo, and Sagittarius. Okay? So, pwedeng yun yung signs ng person ninyo, but doesn't have to. Yun na yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na ito. So, pwedeng ibang signs pa rin naman. Okay, sige. Interpret na natin. So, ngayong March, itong love life ninyo ay may mga sikretong marireveal. So, alamin natin na ba yung sikreto na yun mamaya. Na pwedeng along the way ma-discover natin siya. Pero I can sense na it's about the feelings, hidden emotions, hidden desires, diba? And mga thoughts na express into words. Okay, and itong person ninyo, as I can see here, is Okay? Um, wants collaboration with you. And gusto niya mag-grow yung relationship ninyo. Um, and magpo-put siya ng more effort this month when it comes to the consistency ng pag-express nga ng love. Ayun nga. So, may yun, mga hidden desires, hidden emotions na mas ngayon, mas marireveal, mas magiging out in the open, yung mga nararamdaman ninyo sa isa't isa. And lalo nitong person na to, magpuput nga siya ng effort um, when it comes to expressing yung pagmamahal niya sa inyo. So, mas magiging consistent na siya, nga mas may effort. Okay, and as shown here by the Six of Wands is, yun, Six of Wands is teamwork and supporting each other. So, ito, mas magdi-deepen yung connection ninyo ngayong buwan ng Marso. So, and mas merong, ano mo yun, yung kung may mga issues kayo in the past, mas maayos nyo siya ngayon, bibigyan nyo yung isa't isa ng second chances, di ba? As shown here also by the judgment na you're going to make the right decisions, mga tamang decision ngayon pagdating sa connection ninyo. May mga kailangan kayong, um, may mga, hindi siya issues may mga kaganapan sa buhay ninyo individually and as a couple, 'di ba? Na kakailangan ninyong uh, magkaroon ng tamang desisyon para mag-work ang lahat. And there's a willpower here. I can see here naman na willpower towards the success of the relationship. And as you can see here, yung para mag-move na yung relationship nyo from one phase to the next. So, there's new, there's a new cycle in this relationship. So, panibagong segment ba ng love life ninyo. And that would be related dun sa Ten of Cups, which is, itong sa Ten of Cups kasi, it's love. Para siyang lover's card. So, it's a card of happily ever after, reunion, emotional stability. So, everything will, once na na-express na yung feelings, magtutuloy-tuloy na siya. Magkakaroon ng progress. Okay? And there will be a union between the two of you. And as shown here by the temperance, there will be so much peace and balance in this relationship. Okay, nakikita ko dito na yung energy na yung dalawa, parang nagko-complement kayo sa isa't isa eh. Ito yung nakikita ko. Kaya nagkakaroon ng balance. Magiging at peace kayo sa isa't isa. All emotions, desires, thoughts na nabanggit ko kanina will be in moderation. Diba? Mamamanage nyo yung mga emosyon ninyo. And as you can see here, by the two of coins, yun din, has similar sila ng energy. So, si two of coins is um, having balance din. And at the same time, flexibility na kaya nyo mag-adapt sa mga changes or kung may mga changes like ngayon, it's a new cycle as I've seen here sa Wheel of Fortune na minamanifest nyo rin together as a couple, as a um, in this connection. And in the end, there will be balance and makaka-adapt kayo din sa new cycle na without any fuss. Okay? And so it's a good reading. Sige, tingnan natin yung details na lang. Ano ba yung sekreto na yun? Na-curious din ako. Okay, at habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng water signs. Salamat sa lahat ng Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio na sumusuporta ng aking channel. Okay, so thank you. And it's growing at sana magtuloy-tuloy para, ayun, like, na-improve ko na rin itong setup ko. Yeah, malaki-laking mesa. Okay, pero this will do. Maraming salamat. At sa lahat ng bago, sana supportahan nyo rin po ang aking channel by liking this video. ah, para mag-grow siya, comment kayo sa comment section. And of course, subscribe na po kayo sa aking channel. Okay? So, sige. Tingnan natin ang mga detalye. Third card. Ang sekreto. Oh, okay. Well, yun nga, yung care na gusto niya, yung intention to care for you and how committed is this person yun, mas may express na ngayon, mas maging out na siya in the open. And yung sa Knight of Cups, there will be consistency in love na natin. And mas magiging consistent. Ayan, Three of Pentacles. So, Three of Pentacles, same, collaboration pa rin siya. Three of Coins, Three of Pentacles. So, na-double confirm lang. It's again, magkakaroon ng consistency when it comes to putting effort, planning life together, collaboration. And there will be so much growth and success and teamwork. Ito rin, parang same lang din halos yung energy ng collaboration and teamwork. And dito sa judgment card, there will be making the right decision. Decision on what? Tingnan natin. Ooh, okay. So, yeah, decision on reflection on um, the love and affection na pinoprovide. So, magkakaroon ng growth talaga itong relationship na to. And this is really what you're manifesting and hoping for. And ano ba itong cycle na to? Okay. Six of Pentacles. So, yeah, yeah, kasi nga ipupursukan nito, di ba, maging out na in the open yung relationship. And you will reciprocate it. There will be some reciprocation kaya siya mag-lead into the Ten of Cups, which is a card of love and union. Diba? Union! Union ang union. Okay. So, ayan, and there will be balance, there will be so much love, and siguro last, ano na lang, dun sa Two of Coins. Yeah, see, the Empress. So the Empress, it's a very nurturing energy. Again, a love that really cares. A love that is so abundant. Sobrang nag-uumapaw ang love ngayong March for you. So I hope this resonates. Ang ganda ng reading. Claim yun na. So ang gagawin natin ay isi-seal natin itong reading with an oracle card. Seal natin siya. Okay. Siyasad lang natin. Okay. Dito na siya. Wait lang. Ayun. Okay. Third card. What's the message? Gratitude. Yeah. So, just be grateful for this connection, for this love, for this person coming into your life. And I'm sure grateful din itong person na to na dumating ka sa buhay niya. And kaya, well reciprocated. There's a union, there's so much love, care, manifestation. So, just continue to be grateful na na meron kayo ganitong kind of love together. Okay? So, claim this energy. At dahil umabot na tayo sa dulo ng reading, syempre explain ko na yung promo. Okay, so for the promo, kung saan 3 lucky subscribers ang bibigyan ko ng free personal Tagalog love reading, ito yung mechanics. Okay, first, dapat public subscribers kayo para makita ko sa list of subscribers yung username ninyo. Kasi yun yung basis din ng pag-contact ko. So second, like this video, okay, and comment na below yung zodiac sign ninyo. I-comment nyo yung zodiac sign ninyo, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Kasi of course, yan din yung magiging basis ko for doing the reading. And third, ikwento nyo kung paano nag-resonate ang reading na ito sa inyo. So, babasahin ko siya. Yan. So, yung sign ninyo and then the story. Kung bakit at kung paano nag-resonate itong reading na ito sa inyo. Okay, so, after that, by end of the week, okay, sa March 8, okay, so, pipili ako ng isang Cancer, isang Pisces, isang Scorpio from lahat ng uh, nag-follow ng mechanics and ayun, sila yung bibigyan ko ng free personal Tagalog love reading. So, yung reading, it will be a 30-minute video na i-record ko like this. Tapos, ipapadala ko via email. So, importante talaga na iwan nyo yung public subscriber. Tapos, kukontakin ko kayo sa email, di-discuss ko in detail yung um, love reading na isisend ko. Okay, so maraming salamat. Sana nag-resonate at sana nakatulong. Okay, hanggang sa susunod na love reading. Kita-kits dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Bo. Ingat!